To another MGI investing tutorial. This is Barrett, and today we're going to be discussing Salesforce.com, ticker CRM. Okay, let's get right into it, guys. So the first bit of news we have for CRM today is Nancy Pelosi's husband purchases up to $350,000 of CRM options. He already owns $1 to $5 million in CRM stock, and the options expire June 19th, 2020. So with those pieces of information, we know that he's going for a long option call saying that the stock CRM is going to be going up in the future, and he actually purchased that the call is going to be above 140. So by the June 19th, 2020, if CRM is above 140, he will actually be able to purchase those 100 shares for each option that he purchased of CRM at that 140. Since CRM is already at 156, it's likely that it would be above 140 in June 19th, 2020, but we don't know. It's just his opinion that he thinks the stock's going to be going up, and I like to take that into consideration when someone puts $350,000 betting on a stock to go up. Okay, the next piece of information we have for CRM today is the acquisition of Tableau software is seeing revenue top Wall Street forecast. So this is really huge for CRM and the future of CRM, I think, because Tableau software was just purchased recently by CRM, and it's another software company, and what it does is it basically allows CRM to expand their horizons of what they do and have more influence in the space that they're already working in. So Tableau software, before CRM has actually acquired them officially, already posting record numbers compared to the forecast by Wall Street. This is really big for CRM in the future of CRM, since they haven't actually closed on them yet. They will be closing Tableau software around October 1st, so you might see some of that value get shifted over into Salesforce, the stock, because they actually own Tableau software at that point. That's something to look forward to. Now let's just get into what we think about CRM and the analysis of it. So by just looking at CRM here on the 1-year chart, I would definitely say we're in a very horizontal pattern right now, and we just really haven't gone anywhere. If you look back to right here in 2018, we're at the same point we are right now. So, I mean, really not much change. But one thing I would like to look at, though, is really here on the 20-day chart. Look at this right here. We're in a very horizontal pattern, but a very predictable horizontal pattern. So it looks like we literally have a 156 bottom and a 160 top. We have not moved out of that in the past 2 weeks. So just something to think about. And right now we're at the bottom of the 156. And it's definitely something I would be considering, since we have Nancy Pelosi's husband coming out in this news, putting a bet that he thinks CRM is going to be going up in the future. So he definitely sees value in CRM right now. And that's something I definitely like to consider when I'm purchasing CRM for myself. Another thing I like to look at, if we zoom out of this right here, I like to look at the stochastic full. And some of you guys might not know what that is, but it's this little graph down here. And basically what it tells you is the purple line, which you see right here, is it's called the full ID. And so what the full ID is it's basically like a longer, it doesn't move as drastically line. And what it shows to me is if you see every time this thing is towards the bottom, it normally means after that time, the stock has had enough time where it can actually go up. So right now, we're getting very close to the bottom. We're at 27. Being oversold is actually 20. So we have a little bit more ways to go, but we're very, very close. So one thing I would like to show you guys right there is we're very close to getting to that oversold territory on the stochastic full ID. And then you have this level of support right here. It's a very clear level of support, very clear right here at 156. So I definitely think there's some room for us to go up tomorrow morning. Some other things I think I would like to consider for you guys to think about is the stock is way below fair value of Morningstar's rating of $186. Now, Morningstar, one thing that you need to know about it is they normally rate things a little bit lower than what I would actually consider the stock to have a fair value of. So by Morningstar saying that CRM is a fair value at 186, that's really saying something. The last time I saw a big difference like that was like Intel. When Intel had that big drop just a couple months ago, it was like a $20 range on Intel, which is huge. But again, this is another MGI investing tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.